Today's video is based on the best 5 printers for beginner in 2022. Once more, we're going to show the top 5 best 3D printers out there for the beginner. Before proceeding with this amazing video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to see such useful videos. If you are not agree choosing the most useful 3D printer delivers high-resolution printing results, then do not worry, we have a list of top 5 amazing 3D printers 2021 with multiple features for just beginner. Moreover, these 3D printers with cool features will help you in your business, school or college, and further purpose. Although, we have the top 5 3D printers with its links at the bottom of this video description box. Now we talk on our FDH 3D printer. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro 3D printer. The Mars 2 Pro has a 2K resolution 50 pixel size, a high-quality aluminum housing, an air filter, and very fast layer curing times of 2.5 seconds. With its simple operation and good price-performance ratio, it is also very suitable for beginners. Meanwhile, it is a fully pre-assembled packed very efficiently in a small package. It is also approximately protected with foam, and the accessories are stored in a small extra box. According to our view of point, Mars 2 Pro is one of the best 3D printers available in the marketplace for beginner, and also help all the users in the business projects. Its included USB stick contains a digital version of the manual, a test print, and the slicer software Chai 2 box. On all important surfaces like the FEP foil of the resin tank, the touch screen, and the print bed are plastic foils as transport protection. The clients who using it first time, they can be removed easily and without leaving any residue. Mars 2 Pro is 99% pre-assembled, and it's only the rubber seal needs to be attached to the protective cover. The rubber seal is a very useful detail, as it further reduces the likelihood of vapors escaping or light entering. Now only the print bed has to be mounted to the Z-axis. This is done with the large turning screw on the top. For the resin tank, there's a slight recess in the housing. This makes it easy to align and prevents it from slipping. However, you should do this only after you have aligned and leveled the printing plate. Aside from this feature, the print bed leveling feature on the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro is very simple, accurate, and continuous. Once you have properly leveled the print bed, you can use it to make multiple prints in a row without any problems. The process itself is supported by the menu and only requires your hand, which is included a piece of paper. The piece of paper can be normal paper as long as it has a thickness of about 0.1 mm. At least its result is awesome. Especially you can see the high accuracy of this 3D printer and have no printing errors. Our next 3D printer is Creality Ender 3 V2. Creality Ender 3 V2 is an extraordinary 3D printer for beginner. Made with full 4.3-inch color LCD screen at budget plan 3D printer. The frame is still high quality. It has been improved over the previous versions, but it's still very comparable to the one from the Ender 3 Pro. The 3D printer can automatically continue printing after power off or fiber breakage, so you can stress less over print disappointments. It additionally has a self-created 32-cycle quiet motherboard to guarantee smooth development and no clamor during printing. All the parts fit together flush and tightly, and I had no issues mounting it. There wasn't any skewed parts, so we are really happy with the sturdiness and the quality of that frame. Creality Ender 3 V2 additionally contains a newly branded interface. Otherwise, the flex material is going to escape that inlet pretty easily. So that's an upgrade to apply if you want to go for TPU printing. The new interface significantly updates the client experience through the recently planned working UI framework with best for supply and basic activity. One more element of the Creality Ender 3 V2 is its treated glass print bed. However, its glass print bed is mounted on the aluminum plate, which should work on generally speaking material grip, makes the surface complement, and allows you to illuminate prints significantly more without any problem. Its printing size is generally 220 x 220 x 250 if we talk about its specification. Its brand name is congruent with the compatible devices like PC. Hence, its compatible material is polylactic acid with included components. That's 3D printer weight is 17.20 pounds, and model no is USON Ender 3 V2 FBA. Similarly, our best third observation 3D printer, Prusa i3 MK3S 3D printer. The Prusa i3 line of 3D printers is one of the most famous in the industry. It is affordable, trustworthy, excellent print quality, and extensive customer service. Some people may choose a closed-frame 3D printer for safety or design reasons. However, as one of the best open-frame printers, the Prusa i3 MK3S provides a lot of ability for the cost. In this Prusa Original i3 MK3S review, we'll look at the printer's hardware and various features to see how it compares to other 3D printer alternatives. Although the original Prusa i3 MK3S appears to be identical to its predecessor, the two Prusa 3D printers are considerably different. However, there are a few connections. Apart from standard features like the magnetic heated bed, power recovery, and automatic bed leveling, the Prusa 3D printer now has a new user input. Considering the combination of print quality and reliability, the original Prusa i3 MK3S is one of the cheapest 3D printers on the market. Of course, the design has a lot to do with it, but the parts themselves are of incredible quality. With the Prusa Original i3 MK3S kit, you get the DIY 3D printer kit for self-assembly and a free 1 kg filament spool of silver PLA. Its heated bed is simple to remove, and all it takes is a fast flex of the sheet to extract the print. The previous standard for 3D printer motors was NEMA 17, which was relatively inexpensive. However, Prusa currently employs the finest quality and has combined them with Trinamic 12130 drivers and not-dual fans for cooling. Let's see its specification. The i3 MK3S print volume is the same 9.84 x 8.3 x 8.3 inches. If seen its build volume 9.84 x 8.3 x 8.3 inches and printer dimensions 19.6 x 21.6 x 15.7 inches. It has supported materials, PEC, ABS, PLA, and more. Even its weight 7 kg. Filament diameter 1.75 mm. Especially, it is high connectivity device, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, USB. After that, our second 3D printer is Longer SLA 3D printer. Now we talk about Longer SLA 3D printer's functions and features with completely details for the beginner. This is a high entry-level UV curing 3D printer design with flexible shape and capable LCD display. In the marketing place, that is good and helpful for your business. Longer SLA is currently useful machine and can be easily to set up. If we compare to others, then it has higher accuracy results. However, the 3D printer has 24 parallel LED lights which also illuminate the dark points. These LED lights also mostly improve printing quality of any object. Especially, this software with multiple advantages independently developed by Longer. If seen its output 100 M slice file in 1 minute. After all, you can increase its speed by 3 times more. Overall, this 3D printer is a single-click generation of excellent support, upgraded cross-interface structure, and smartly add grid support with 1 click to guarantee the printing success rate of complex models. Everyone can easily use it with full display touchscreen, ongoing review, and observing of printing status. And it's hassle-free to level printing platform by 4 screws, which allows you to start printing job quickly. Longer SLA 3D printer has effectively level, totally metal body, solid bond, and secure temperature warning system. We know about its warranty and service. The printer doesn't accompany drain. It has 1-year machine guarantee and lifetime specialized help. It has multiple interesting features and advantages. It has 2 LCD screen display. Resolution high printing quality 2560 x 1440. 47.25 pixel size. Major size of printing at 4.72 x 2.68 x 6.69 inches. Integrated with matrix UV LED arrays. Output 100 M slicing file in 1 minute, 3 times faster. At least our last 3D printer. ANYCUBIC Mega. The ANYCUBIC Mega S comes really well packed to your home. Inside the box, there are custom-made styrofoam inlays that perfectly protect all components of the 3D printer from shocks and other external impacts. This entry-level printer is very easy to set up. You can do almost nothing wrong, and you won't have to wait long for the first print. The level of detail is also surprisingly good for this price range. ANYCUBIC has included everything you could need to set up and operate the 3D printer. However, what is immediately noticeable when unpacking is the stable frame. This allows the 3D printer to achieve high precision despite its low weight. Changing the nozzle may sometimes be necessary if it is very dirty or if you want to use a different diameter. There is a switch for the incoming voltage. The switch can be set to 220V or 110V. One step that many people forget. when leveling the print bed is to calibrate/adjust the Z-axis. For this, you need a caliper gauge, or at least an accurate ruler. If you really manage to set the distance everywhere with the paper, you will get a good print. In the beginning, you may need an hour or more until everything is perfectly adjusted. Meanwhile, the distance between the nozzle and the print bed is too small. It can rub against it in the worst case. Although the distance is too big, the filament may not adhere properly to the printing plate. The aim of leveling the print bed is to ensure that all points on the print bed are the same distance from the nozzle. This is exactly what the paper is for. You adjust all 4 corners of the print bed so that the piece of paper just fits between the nozzle and the print bed. The first step in loading the filament is to place the filament on the filament holder so that the filament comes from the bottom of the spool. The ANYCUBIC Mega S is an excellent printer for beginners. However, you will have to tinker here and there. For example, manual leveling of the print bed takes some getting used to at first. If we talk about its specification, its nozzle diameter 0.4 mm/1.75 mm and positioning accuracy x/y 0.125 mm, z 0.2 mm print speed 20-100/s. Materials PLA, TPU, ABS, HIPS, PEC, wood operating temp 8°C 4°C operational extruder temp max 206°C. Operational print bed temp max 100°C. Its connectivity included memory card, data cable. Moreover, these 5 best 3D printers with outstanding features will help you in your business, school, college, and further purpose. So we suggest you to buy one of them available with stunning properties in the market. Below the top FE 3D printers are given with links at the bottom of this video description box. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it. And if you are new on our channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon for watching latest video.